Hi dear students, good morning to you all and welcome back to the GK class. Hope you all fine and safe with your family. So today in this section I am going to give you the revision for quarterly examination. Totally in this exam you have 15 topics. So today in this class I am going to give you the revision for first 7 topics, and the next week we have one more class for revision. At that class we will see the rest of the topics. Okay, let's go to the topic. All of you take page number 18. Story sequence. So here first we have to read this story and understand first. Then we have to rearrange the following sentences in the correct order. Okay. Do you remember the story? Once I remind you. As you can see in the picture, there are 3 friends in the story. One of them is Mullah. Mullah's friends challenged Mullah to spend the winter night on the mountain top, and he should not take anything to keep him warm. He accepted that challenge and he took only a book and a candle because he has to spend a whole night on the mountain top, isn't it? So he took only a book and a candle. He sat through the bitterly cold night. He was completed the task successfully. When he met his friends, he asked his price. But the friends asked, "Did you take anything up there with you to keep warm?" Mullah said, "No, I took only a small candle to read the book." "Aha," they exclaimed, and they said, "Then you lost. The heat of the candle kept you warm." A week later, Mullah invited these same friends for dinner. The friends waited and waited, but Mullah did not serve the food. And then Mullah came and said, "Dinner is not ready. Come and see why." Mullah called his friends into the kitchen. In the kitchen, they saw a pot under which a small candle was burning. The friends asked him, "How will the candle give enough heat to cook the food?" Mullah smiled and said, "In the same way in which it kept me warm." Here we have to rearrange the events in the story in the correct order. Okay, so what comes first? The first one is Mullah took up the challenge that his friends gave him. The next one is B. Mullah spent a bitterly cold night outdoor. Next one is Mullah's friends cheated him. And the next, a week passed. Next one is Mullah's invited his friends a dinner night. Mullah put a candle under a pot, and then the friends grew tired of waiting. And the last one is Mullah taught his friend a lesson. See the next topic, families. Okay, this is the family tree. From it we can learn about relationship. Okay, see here. Hello, I am Rayan. Look at my family tree and fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. Where is Rayan here? Here. Is it? This is Rayan. So this is Rayan's family tree. Okay. So this Sandra and Peters are grandparents of Rayan. Okay. This grandparents have 3 children, Aisha, George and Rose. Okay. So this Aisha married with Joyce. This couple have 2 children. One is Rayan, the other one is Ria. The George is Aisha's brother, the Rose is Aisha's sister. Okay, so this Rose is married with Fargat, and this couple have 2 children. One is Nathan, the other one is Alia. Okay, so who is the speaker here? Rayan. Is it? So see the first question. Sandra and Peter are my grandparents. Okay. Say the spelling grandparents. 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 Okay. The next one is Joy and Aisha are mine. Joy and Aisha are my Parents. Spell the word parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents. George is my uncle. Spell the word uncle. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. Rose is my aunt. A-U-N-T. Aunt. Alia and Nathan are my cousins. The uncle aunt children are called cousins. Okay. So Alia and Nathan are my cousins. Spell the word cousins. C-O-U-S-I-N-S. Cousins. Ria is Alia's. Ria is Alia's cousins. Cousins spelling C-O-U-S-I-N-S. Cousins. Aisha and Rose. Aisha and Rose are sisters. S-I-S-T-E-R-S. Sisters. George is Rose brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother. Aisha is Alia's. Aisha is Alia's aunt. A-U-N-T. Aunt. George is Nathan's uncle. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. Okay. See the next exercise. Animal families have special names. Match the family names to the animals. The swarm of bees. The bees families are called a swarm. Okay, a swarm of bees. A pride of lions. A tower of giraffes. The colony of flamingos. A pod of dolphin. A band of gorillas. Okay. See this box voice out says elephant families are quite like our families. An elephant family is led by a mother elephant. An elephant family is led by a mother elephant. Elephants often walk in a single file. The calves means a baby elephant. Okay. The calves sometimes hold on to their mother's tail with their trunk. Can you see in the picture? Like it, the calves sometimes hold on to their mother's tail with their trunk. The elephants often walk in a single file. Okay. Take the next page. See the next topic, addition and subtraction. Short out the addition and subtraction words from the help box and write them in the correct boxes. The words are minus, altogether, take away, both, less than, plus, together, left, how many in all, how many more. Okay. Usually we can see these words in the word problem. With the help of this keyword, you can find out whether the problem is addition or subtraction. Let's see what are the words are associated with addition and subtraction. The word altogether, both, plus, together, how many in all, how many more. These words are associated with addition. Okay. The word minus, take away, less than and left are associated with subtraction. Okay. See the next exercise. The numbers on each ladybird spot must add up to 50. Draw a line to match correct spot to the ladybird. See the first ladybird. It has 20 and 10, totally 30. To add up to 50, how many more it needs? They need 20 more. Is it? So write here 20. So 20 plus 20 plus 10 is 50. Okay. So here 20 plus 25, 45. So how many more it needs? 5 more. Is it? So now it's 50. Here 20 and 20, totally 40. So how many more it needs? 10 more. So now it's 50. Okay. The next topic is what's cooking. Circle the correct cooking words under each picture below. One has been done for you. See the first picture, grate or stir. Which is the correct cooking method? Grate. Usually carrot, beetroot and cheese are cut in this method. Is it? So this type of cooking is called grate. Okay, see the next, fry or bake. Which is the correct answer? Fry. Fry means to cook by putting the food into the very hot oil. This method is called fry. The next one, roll or pour. Roll. So with the help of a rolling pin, we can roll out various type of dough. Dough means, do you know? Mav. Usually we make chapati and puri in this method. See the next, stir or slice. Which is the correct answer? Slice. Slice means to cut into thin and similar size. So that is slice. The next one is blend or grate. Answer is blend. Blend means to mix all the ingredients together. Okay. The next one is stir or squeeze. The answer is squeeze. Squeeze means to extract juice from something, we have to compressing it firmly. The next one, boil or fry. Boil. Boil means to heat water or another liquid until little bubbles form. The next one is bake or boil. This method of cooking is called bake. The next one is roll or pour. Pour. Pour means to transfer liquid from one container to another. The last one is slice or spread. Spread. Usually we spread jams and butter on the bread. Is it? Because it's added the flavor and texture of the food. See the voice out says crockery. Plates, bowls, side plates, serving dishes, cups and saucers are called crockery items. Cutlery means forks, spoons, teaspoons, table knife. These items are called cutlery things. Then utensils, pots, pans, ladles, whisk, grater, pressure cooker and a rolling pin. These are called utensils. Okay, take the next page. Work around us. Cross out the tools that does not match with the person's work. See the first one, chef. Chef means a person who works in hotel or restaurant. So the items are pots and pans, ladle, spade, skillet. So which one is not matched for this person? Spade. A chef use pots and pans, ladle and skillet, but she do not use spade. So cross out this. The next one is electrician. Screwdriver, plier, wire tester, blender. Which one is not matched with this person? Blender. Electrician do not use blender. The farmer, iron, rake, sickle, plow. Which one is not matched with this person? Iron. Next one is carpenter. The tools are saw, telescope, hammer, nails. Which one is not matched with this person? Telescope. A carpenter do not use this telescope. Next one is mechanic. Nuts and bolts, pen, spanner, wrench. Pen. Dressmaker. Measuring tape, needle and pins, drill, scissors. So which tool do not match with this person? Drill. Cleaner, broom and dustpan, mops, comb and vacuum cleaner. So this comb does not match with this person. So cross out this comb. Next, teacher, globe, pen, smartboard, motor and pestle. Which tool is not matched with this person? Motor and pestle. The firefighter, spoon, helmet, hosepipe, ladle. The spoon does not match with this person. Artist, easel, brushes, palette, stethoscope. So which one is do not match with this person? Stethoscope. The artists do not use this stethoscope. See the next exercise. Where do they work? Match the people to their places of work. A nurse, she works in hospital. Chef works in kitchen. Mechanics works in garage. Janitor works in building. Waiter works in restaurant. Zookeeper works in zoo. Porter works in railway station. Photographer works in studio. Salesperson works in shop. Hairdresser works in beauty salon. Okay, take the next page. Same or different. On each picture, cross out the word that does not match the set. The first one is rocket. Is it? Rocket is fast, quick, speedy, crawling. Which one is not matched in this set? The word fast, quick, speedy. These three words are same meaning, but the word crawling is not matched in this set. So, crawling is the odd one. Okay. The next book, dull, thrilling, exciting, eye-popping. So, the word dull is not matched in this set. Okay. The next, a flower. It's beautiful, horrible, lovely, wonderful. The word horrible does not match in this set. So this horrible is odd one. Okay. The next exercise. Choose the right word to describe the picture. See this picture carefully. The crocodile is tiny or enormous? Enormous. Its mouth is narrow or wide? The mouth is wide. Its teeth are blunt or sharp? Its teeth are sharp. The children look frightened or unafraid? The children looks frightened. They think that the crocodile is harmless or dangerous? The crocodile is dangerous. See this box voice all says, turned off means stop. Turned off means start using something. Okay, for example, we turned off the tap. Turned off means stopped. Next, went off. Went off means started making a sound. Okay, went off means started. For example, the alarm went off at 6 o'clock. So here went off means started. The alarm started at 6 o'clock. Okay. Take the next page. See the next topic, division and multiplication. Filling the numbers that live in each number family house. The first one has been done as an example. To do this division and multiplication, first you should know the multiplication tables. So here there are 3 spots in the family house, 6, 3 and 2. By using these 3 numbers, we are going to do this following problems. Okay. So 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 6. The next one is 6 divided by 2. So here we have to see how many times 2 is 6. So 3 2s are 6. The next one is third table. So here we have to see how many times 3 is 6. 2 times the 2 3s are 6. Okay, see the next. The numbers are 8 4 2. So 4 2s are 8. 2 4s are also 8. 8 divided by 2 is. So here we have to use the second table. So how many times the 2 is 8? 4. 4 2s are 8. The next one is fourth table. How many times the 4 is 8? 2 times. 2 4s are 8. The next one, the numbers are 20, 10 and 2. So 10 2s are 20, 2 10s are 20. Then second table we have to use here. So how many times 2 is 20? 10. 10 2s are 20. The next one, we have to use here the 10th table. How many times the 10 is 20? 2 10s are 20. The next one is 50, 5 and 3. So 5 3s are 15, 3 5s are 15, and the next one is you have to use the third table. So how many times 3 is 15? 5. 5 3s are 15. And the next one is, here we have to use the fifth table. So how many times 5 is 15? 3 5s are 15. And the next one is, I had given this as a homework. Hope you all done this. So that's all today. So in this revision days, please don't waste your time. Study sincerely and write the exams well. Okay? We will see you in the next class. Bye.